breakfast 6:30 6:30 a.m.
I had breakfast at
30 a.m.
6:30
6:30 a.m.
What do you do in your free time?
I usually watch TV.
Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Lâm.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school 6:30 a.m.
What animal do you like?
I like dog.
What color do you like?
I like yellow.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up 6 a.m.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner 6
at
at 6:13 p.m.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by
I
bus.
go to
I go to school by bus.
What time do you have lunch?
I have lunch 11 a.m.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
How many people are there in your family?
My family has 6 people
in
in my house.
in conclusion my
My grandpa, my grandma, dad, mom, brother, and me.
okay very good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Thanh Tân.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed 9 p.m.
Okay